Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I haven't done these in a long time and I don't know if I did one, I can't remember. But I will be using full face, using drugstore makeup. I might not have a setting powder, but we're just gonna ignore that because I just realized I don't have a setting powder. But my favorite setting powder from a drugstore, it is a Maybelline Fit Me powder. It is so good. So I wish I had that on me right now, but I was like, I would need to do a video and I want to do a video. I'm like having bad cramps and I'm like, you know what, let's do some makeup. Forget about them cramps. So I have some drugstore makeup here for you guys. So I'm excited to try this. I have not done a full face of drugstore makeup in a long time. So I just want to do something different today. So let's just go ahead and get started. Before I start, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel and want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another new video. And make sure you guys comment and give a thumbs up to this video if you guys like it or any of my other videos. Like that, YouTube knows you guys are into my content and shares it to other people. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today, I didn't know what to use for my primer, but I do have this Retro Paradise. This is a primer glow oil, and I'm going to use this. I've only used it once, so I really want to try and use it again. So we're gonna go ahead and use this. I'm not gonna put so much, but we shall see how this goes. It's like an oil-based primer. I don't know how I feel about this. Normally I like some more tackiness, but maybe this will give me like a nice glow. Not that bad. For my foundation, I am going to be using the Revlon Colorstay 24 Hours. They sent over this to me and I have not used it. Like, it's still closed. So I thought it was a good idea to try it out. This is in the shade Deep Honey. I don't know if this is my shade. And it has SPF 20, which I did not know that. I did not even see that. So we're going to go ahead and open the packaging up. Honestly, I think that's like only bad thing about the drugstore, that I has like all these little packaging issues that I have to just kind of keep in mind to open before I film, but I always forget. Go ahead and try this foundation out. Proof that I have not used it. There you go. Looks like that. So far it looks like it's my color. I'm not sure. We're gonna go ahead and just test this out on the skin. So far it does not look bad. I actually like the way it's looking on my skin, and I feel like it is a really good match. Very like skin-like, which I like. I like that kind of foundation. It is very lightweight. Keep in mind that it's like super lightweight. It's very like watery. It just kind of drips down. For my concealer, I am going in with the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is more of a full coverage concealer. I want to try the hydrating one. I feel like that one's more my type of concealer, but when I go, there's never my shade, so it's very, very disappointing. But we're gonna go in with this one. This one's kind of light, so I'm not gonna add a lot of it, just a little bit like this, because it is super full coverage and I feel like it's a little bit too light for me. Go ahead and blend this out. Not bad. I feel like I kind of do like that. I don't know if I want to add a little bit more, just a little bit more, so we can get like a little bit more coverage there. I'm just really scared of this concealer. I like it. I'm just scared of it because I don't want to like crease that much. So we're gonna go ahead and just blend this out. Are so good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my contour stick, bronzing stick, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to be using this concealer from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me in Cafe. I just like using this one a lot. I feel like it's just a really, really good concealer to use as a bronzer. So I'm going to go ahead and just add this to the points that I like to add it in. Mostly like right here. I don't really like to go really crazy with this. Use this side of the brush. This is a Huda Beauty brush. And we're going to just kind of pat this and blend this all over. Smooth it out a little bit more so it won't look too harsh. I like to go in with my beauty blender and just kind of pat it, and it's just going to make it look nice and more blendable, see more blendable or see more seamless. Do you guys see how nice that looks? Now I feel like my face is looking more bronzed. So next I am going to be going in with my e.l.f. Putty blush. This is in the shade Bahamas, you guys. I have not stopped using this ever since they sent it over. I have not stopped. I'm addicted. I just like it a lot. So I'm going in with this brush. This is the e.l.f. Putty Primer Applicator. It's like $6, I think, and I like it because I feel like it goes perfectly with this blush here. So we're gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of this blush and kind of start tapping it all over the high cheek area where the temple's at and blend it down. It just looks very, very nice and hydrated. You guys, I have not stopped using it because I love it. Mia, don't you dare to come in here. She's like, sorry you guys, she's just coming here and likes to be part of the video somehow. You guys can't see her, but she's like literally like behind my camera and just kind of like observing me and just staring at me. Face is looking flawless. I'm gonna go ahead and set really quick because I don't want my face to look a little bit off, you know, like too dusty, musty. So I'm gonna go ahead and set with this Maybelline glass spray. You guys, I love this because it makes your skin look so glassy and skin-like and dewy. It's just amazing. So I'm gonna go in with this and just kind of spray a little bit. It's gonna just make my skin look really nice and hydrated. I love it, especially if you guys are dry skin girls and want like that dewy skin. Like, I think this is going to be it for you guys. If you guys want to check that out, I highly recommend this one. This is Makeup Finishing Spray. Skin looks hydrated and dewy finish, and I feel like that's literally what it's giving me. As for my brows, I am going to be using this NYX. I have not opened this. I'm barely opening it now. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I saw that they have a pen, and I really need to get that because I really like that Anastasia Beverly Hills pen, but I don't know if I can afford to buy it again. So I kind of want to try the NYX one because that one is really, really good, the Anastasia one. So I really want to try the NYX one, and I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and like find it. I might have to go to like Ulta to look for it, but this is really, really cool. I've never tried this one. I don't think I have used this one. It's like new, so we're gonna be going in with this one. This is in the shade Espresso, so let's go ahead and see. I'm a little sad that I don't have any drugstore product for my brows, like a little clear brow gel. I thought I did, but I was looking and I don't. So we're gonna kind of just brush these hairs up and start shading this in. So far I actually really like this. I went off camera and I finished the rest of my brow, but I really like this. I do feel like it's a bit of a more warmer tone kind of brown. I mean, once it kind of sets into the face and like the skin, it kind of warms up and it oxidizes and it goes into like a deeper brown. But when you first go in and apply it, it is a little bit more warmer tone color. I think I'm just so used to pens now that like I haven't used a pencil in a while. So it's like it takes me a while to finish my brows right now, but I actually really like it. I don't hate it. We're gonna go ahead and continue with our eyes now. But before I move on with my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop. This is a Your Trip, and this is their Super Shock highlighter. And I don't know if it's considered drugstore, but I think since it's affordable, I could be considered drugstore. I mean, it's in Ulta, and you're able to get it during like in the drugstore section since it's affordable. So I'm gonna go in and highlight with this one. I actually really like this highlighter, so we're gonna go ahead and highlight and just make sure we just. Do you guys see how beautiful that looks? Like, what? Really nice. Really like this highlighter. They had sent me the wrong shade like when I first ordered it, and then they sent me a new one, so I was really happy, and now I have two. So we're gonna go ahead and move with our eyes. I am going to be playing with color. I am gonna add a little bit of that concealer, just a little bit, but that's gonna be a lot. And I'm going to just kind of pat that all over. I'm going to be using this little brush here, and I'm gonna pat this all over because I am gonna use color today. And I want to kind of just pat this so we can have a nice base. For today's look, I have been inspired since I've been seeing a lot of people do blue eyeshadow. I just need to do like a deep blue eyeshadow. I have been seeing a lot of people do it, and it just inspired me to do this blue shadow. So I'm going to be using this palette. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a Retro Paradise, and it's actually a really good palette. And the other day I went to Target and I saw that they still had it. So just in case it's still available at your guys' store, you guys can go ahead and grab it because, oh my god, you guys, I'm going to try this blue because it is just so pretty. So we're going to go ahead and try this. I'm going to be grabbing a brush here. The shade Royal, which is this blue right here. I just need to play with this blue, and we're going to use that. And I'm a little scared of it because I know blues can be a little bit difficult, but we're going to go ahead and just do this and kind of pat this all over the eye. And I want to just kind of pack that all over, and I'm going to kind of smoke it out a little bit because I feel like this blue eyeshadow, I need to do something with this because it is so pretty. And I have seen a lot of people on Instagram use blue, And I feel like that is a color that I'm gravitating to the most lately. So we're gonna go ahead and play with this. And I'm just gonna be blending this all over. Now what I'm doing, you guys, today, I'm just going with the flow and see what I can create with this. Another brush so I can blend the edges off a little bit. And with the shade Disco, which is this shade, it's like a hybrid of this purple and blue color right here. I'm gonna go in with this and just pack this all over in my inner corner and just kind of blend that in and pack that. That is looking very, very nice. And I kind of do want to add a little bit of pop of inner corner moment. So I'm gonna go in with this brush here that already has a little bit of purple. And I'm gonna try to dust it off as much as I can. And we're gonna go in with the shade Tropicana, which is this lavender color here. And I'm going to be using that for my inner corner and just kind of make it stand out and give it a little bit pop of purple. Also going to be adding this to the top brow here, like the brow bone. And we're gonna just kind of add that little pop of color there. And I'm just tapping that in there, and we're slowly gonna blend that in with the blue shade, which is Royal. And we're gonna just kind of tap that in and kind of make that color stand out like we are doing it with the inner corner. I feel like it's just gonna make it look very, very nice. I really like the way this is looking, so I'm gonna go in, whatever I did to the top eye, I'm gonna go in and do the same thing to the bottom. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Royal again and kind of tap that and add it to the lower lash line and make it very nice and smoky. As done, I'm going in with the shade Disco again, which is the purple one right here. I'm gonna go in with that and add a little bit of that to the lower lash line, the inner corner, and just kind of tap that in. It's just gonna make the complete look, and it's gonna make it look stand out even more. I don't know if you guys can tell that it already stands out even more. It's gonna look really, really nice. And I'm just gonna slowly kind of blend that out. Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna go in with the Sky High. This is a Maybelline new mascara, and I've been wanting to try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this mascara out. I'm not gonna focus it so much on my top of my lashes today because I am going to be using lashes. So I'm gonna be focusing on my bottom lashes and see how well it coats my under lashes, my lower lashes. I tend to be a little bit picky when it comes to my lower lashes since I don't have that long ones mascaras, and I want them to coat them, you know, like the Urban Decay Lash Freak mascara does it for me. I like the fact that my lower lashes look a little bit more clumpy because I feel like it just makes me look like I have lashes on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to test this out to my lower lashes. I feel like it's doing it. I feel like it's a little bit more like, I feel like I still have to kind of add more product, but I tend to always add more mascara. I never really go with one coat. I always go with more, but it's not that bad on my top lashes though. So let's just go ahead and try that out. It is doing it for me. Like, what? That is looking really, really nice. I really do need to try this mascara without eyeshadow so I can see, like, but I see it. Ooh, I actually like that. I like the way it's looking. Ooh, like, look at the difference. I don't know if you can see since I have eyeshadow. It just makes my eyelashes look really, really nice. I actually like the way it's looking on my top lashes. Really, really nice. I like that. Okay, I am liking the way the mascara made my lashes look. Like, I have eyeshadow obviously, but it still looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes off camera, and we're gonna come back to finish the lips. Okay, now that my face is basically done, I'm gonna go in with lips. So we're gonna go in with this Retro Paradise. I know I'm using a lot of e.l.f., you guys, but that's what I got. And this is the shade number 2 from their Retro Paradise lip like combo that they have. Like, it's like a lip trio that they have, and I actually really, really like it. So it's like a nude color, and I'm gonna go in with this. And just to hydrate the lips a little bit because my lips are so dry, I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. This is like $3, and it's a clear gloss, and I actually really, really like it. So I want to use this today. So again, we're gonna go in a little bit more with this and with this Maybelline Glass Spray, and we're gonna just little spritz just to refresh the makeup again. This is the final look. And just in case you guys are wondering, I am using these Angelic Get Stone stones on my eyes just to kind of make it pop even more. I'm going to go ahead and link them down below if you guys want to check them out. It's so affordable, and you guys could even get this little set. I think this is like $30. And you guys can get like a little bit more of a discount if you guys use my code YADI. I do get commission if you guys use my code, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. But I have that in the link down below. You don't have to get this. You can get like little packs, and it's like affordable, and it comes with a lot, and they're reusable. So if you take care of them, you're able to use them again. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure remember to thumbs up and comment down below, like that YouTube knows you guys are interested and I recommend it to other people. And I am a smaller creator, so that helps me out a lot. I get basically like not really shown out there because I'm a smaller creator, so it tends to happen a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, make sure you guys are following me there, and make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notifications to know when I post another video. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.